top 9 highest paying cities for call centers in the Philippines. So coming in at number 9 would be Cebu City, averaging 19,519 pesos per month. Coming in at number 8 would be Antipolo, which averages 20,026 pesos per month. Coming in at number 7 would be Makati City at 20,350 pesos per month. Coming in at number 6 would be Mandaluyong City at 20,627 pesos per month. Coming in at number 5 would be Pasay City at 21,102 pesos per month. Coming in at number 4 would be Quezon City, averaging 21,359 pesos per month. Coming in at number 3 would be Pasig City at 21,660 pesos per month. Coming in at number 2 would be Taguig at 21,786 pesos per month. And the number 1 highest paying city for call center representatives in the Philippines would be Alabang at 22,782 pesos per month on average. So these are the 9 highest paying cities for call center representatives here in the Philippines. So if you found this content helpful, please subscribe. I'm Engineer Morgan Sa, your coach ng Bayan.